Today we're going to talk about the great frame debate. I have YouTube viewers who watch and they say, Jeff, what's the best frame for me? Would I use a composite, a vinyl, or aluminum? So the question is, I don't know what's best for you, but let's talk about what is best about each of these and what should you be careful of and wary of with maybe the choice you might make based on your circumstances. In other words, there's a debate. And we're going to talk about that today. So hi, I'm Jeff Ludy. I'm the founder of the Window Experts. And if you're looking for a great window company, I can help you with that. Check it out, jeffslist.com. Okay, so over here far on your left is aluminum. This is vinyl. And this is fiberglass. And I want to go ahead and start by just talking a little bit about vinyl, because vinyl is what probably almost 80% of all windows made in the US today are being made out of. Why? Well, because vinyl is not like the old vinyl, right, that used to warp and turn yellow and discolor. This high quality new ultra premium vinyl that's being produced by manufacturers like Anlin, for example, out of California, and some of these other brands that are out there are making much better quality stuff than what we've seen in the past. These products are really superior to just about anything when it comes to energy efficiency and durability, but they're really affordable when you get a high quality one. It's going to cost a little more, but it's really affordable. Now this particular product, okay, this is really a heavy gauge, as you can see, a very heavy gauge vinyl product. The inferior products to this is stuff you get a lot of times at a big box store or a lumber yard, or perhaps from builder grade, new construction stuff. It's not going to be nice and heavy and thick like this. And it's also not going to have this foam injected in here. You can see this has a foam injection in it. You say, Jeff, why the foam? What does it do? Well, it does help reduce the transfer of heat and cold, which is really important, but it also helps reduce sound. It reduces vibrations. It also helps reduce condensation. Windows that are really well built tend to trap a lot of the moisture in your house because it used to escape through a cheap window. Now it's trapped, and so that can build condensation, and this helps reduce condensation by reducing the transfer of the heat and the cold. So that's really cool for that. Now I'm going to show you what not to get if you're thinking about buying a vinyl window. Look at the difference between these two frames, okay? These are actually both good quality, but if you notice, this one has a much wider profile. And sometimes people say, you know, hey, I found another window company, and look at the difference there. Found another window company, and you know they've got a great window product as well, and it's less costly. Well, yeah, but look how much thicker it is. Look at how much of that glass space you're going to lose with a product like that. So I want you to also just think too about like the aesthetics of a window. Don't just do the math. If you're like me, right, you think about energy efficiency, you think about numbers, you think that sometimes windows can be compared on a spreadsheet, and part of it can be compared on a spreadsheet, but what you can't put on a spreadsheet is how it looks. And so if you're a little bit like me, right, and you're watching this video and your wife's in the other room, you might want to pause, go grab her and say, Jeff wants to know which of these two frames you think will look better in our house. Right? Not the color, but like the profiles. And so a lot of people make a mistake. They buy this big bulky window and they don't realize it until it's installed. And now it's installed and they stand back in the street and they start to cry because it's like a terrible haircut, right? Imagine having a horrible haircut. The benefit to a haircut is your hair will grow out and you get to do it again. You'd have to replace all your windows again to get it right the second time. So you can't make that mistake. Now this is vinyl. And vinyl's, I mean, it's really probably what most of you are considering. Now you say, Jeff, okay, tell me about vinyl and how it compares, say, to aluminum. Well, that's one of the beauty things that you get behind aluminum. This is a narrow profile vinyl, but this is an even narrower profile because it's aluminum. Why? Because aluminum is stronger than vinyl. Aluminum is very, very strong. It's rigid, so you need a little bit less of it. This one, you notice they have all these chambers and pockets to create that strength. This one doesn't really need that. It's just so strong. It's made from such a great material. Now, if you notice here, one of the things that you see is this sort of this divider here between this part and this part of the frame. This is what we call a thermal break. I've got some videos where I go into great detail elaborating on thermal breaks and why you should probably consider one for your window or your door, because this helps stop a lot of that energy transfer, the heat transfer, either from leaving your house or from entering the house, the cold entering the house, or the heat entering the house, so that you can have a more comfortable environment using a really strong product. Now, a lot of times people buy this because it is very, very durable. Some of you who have aluminum windows in your house now, They're probably 30, 40, 50, even 60, 70 years old. We've been putting aluminum windows in houses since the 50s, 40s and 50s. Even though they may not be the most energy efficient, the fact that they're still there 60, 70, 80 years later, it's proof that aluminum is really strong and it's very durable. And so this wins in the durability category, but it doesn't win in the efficiency category, even though we can improve it somewhat, because it doesn't really matter. Aluminum's never going to be at the top of the food chain when it comes to energy efficiency. Strong, durable, beautiful, slender, great profiles, large size. Look at this door. Giant door, right? Those are made out of aluminum, and that's not uncommon to see aluminum doors in places where you want that. Now, up north, this stuff does not do well at all with cold climates, so I wouldn't really consider this unless you're in a moderate climate, but especially if you're in the south, right? If you're along the coast in the south, like California or the Gulf of Mexico, is now known as Gulf of America, parts of Florida, those areas in the south, this does really, really well, and I think you're going to be really pleased with that. This particular product is made by Western. This is their 8630 series, and it's really, really great stuff. Now, probably my favorite, though, of all the products on the table today, this is the one I actually put into my house. This is a composite. I think that composites are the future of the window business. In fact, I think if 10 years from now you were calling a salesperson from a window company out to your house, one of your questions would be, tell me about your composite options, right? Because composite is where we've progressed to. Composites have the benefits of both. They have the energy efficiency, and actually even more energy efficiency than the vinyl does. And they offer the strength of aluminum. In fact, this is 8 times stronger than builder grade vinyl and 4 times stronger than aluminum when it comes to its tensile strength. You get big sizes, you can get big doors, and you can get energy efficiency, and most importantly, the lifespan on this is greater even than the lifespan on aluminum. Why? Because this composite is made from, this is fiberglass, it's pultruded. This actually expands and contracts with the same proportions as the glass. And what's the most common failure in a double pane window? It's the seal failing, this part here where it connects one side to the other. Those start to fail sometimes in lower grade products, and then you get condensation in the middle. In fact, you have double pane windows now and you're watching this video, probably because you think I need new windows, and it's probably because your windows have started to fail when it comes to the glass. So when the glass expands and contracts and the window expands and contracts at the same rate, right, you have fewer seal failures. This aluminum is going to expand and contract much faster than the double pane glass is going to expand and contract, and you end up with a higher rate of seal failures. So when it comes to energy efficiency, boom, rock star. When it comes to durability, boom, rock star. When it comes to being future-proof, rock star. Why do you say, Jeff, what's a future-proof window? Well, I made a video about future-proof windows. Sorry I'm promoting all my videos, but you need to learn window before you spend money on your windows. This product is actually paintable and repaintable. So if you change your mind in 10 years, because it's going to last forever, right? Or, well, I'm not supposed to say forever. It's going to last a very, very long time. You're going to be able to repaint this window a different color if you want to in the future. I like that. And guess what? On the inside, there is an option. This is not real wood. This is a composite wood. It's a wood composite product that you can actually stain or paint. It stains like wood. It paints like wood. You can repaint it. You can stain it and then paint over it. I mean, it's really, really good stuff. So decide you change the color on the inside of the house, change it. You want to change the color on the outside, you can change it. Now, you don't have to get it with that wood interior. I'm just showing it to you with that option. But this is a beautiful window, and if you have beautiful windows now, like say wood windows, but they just are rotting or having issues, this would be an ideal replacement. The vinyl works, but sometimes it doesn't look like this does. It doesn't have that same elegant feel, and it doesn't have the same durability or energy performance. So I hope I've answered the question, which is better? Well, it depends on where you live, depends on your budget, depends on what you're trying to accomplish. I personally, I'm in my 60s now, and I don't work like I used to, and my wife won't let me get on a ladder to repaint windows or clean windows. I like this product because it helps me not have to work at it. This is something that is going to last a long time, and I'm not going to have to get up there and work on these windows. So that's why I like it. Now, if you're interested in buying any one of these windows, I started a website called jeffslist.com. You can go there and check it out. We won't spam you. We're just going to introduce you to a great window company in your area. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'll talk to you again real soon.